Morning campers, welcome back to Metro RV and well, I emphasise campers today. We've got, I'm going to go as far as saying one of the toughest bit of kit that we've had through our shop. Well, as you probably know, or anyone that watches this stuff, I am highly or very easily excited, and this thing's testament to, I tell you what good design and a quality product comes up with something tough enough to make the well, make some backpackers nervous in Central Australia or something. This thing is absolutely built like nothing else I've ever seen. So, big slide-out kitchen. And there's one thing they have, they've got spots for all your cups. It all sits there, they've got little elastic bands to keep it in there. That's not a knife. That's a knife, no. So there's full of sponge in to keep everything in place. Got a massive separate, Jesus, it's childproof. Separate big fridge freezer, slide out. Now, there's one thing I'll point out, this is there's everything, there's going to be a bit of slapping today, this thing's tough. Now, this thing folds up and basically sort of sits along that panel. So, I probably should have put a couple of bottles of Dom Perignon or something in there, but look, the storage in this thing, we see a lot of stuff. The concept of thought that's gone into this is just absolutely, well, it's nearly mind-boggling. But full off-road, full independent suspension. Yeah. They just pop up. They have a fully enclosed annex on that side. Now there's one thing that we've just got it sort of casually sitting here. Now, can't have a Conqueror go about the fire pit. They have a custom-made what do you a grill basically to throw on an open fire and cook yourself a nice steak, or that nice big barramundi I keep talking about. Monday we might even go for a flathead in the next few days. Now they double up, so there's one thing you'll notice, I'll get you to come in from here, but this basically becomes a bit of a bathroom this side, so external shower, there's a hot water system, gas bottles, which anyway. But this is your bathroom quarters. Geez, we've done that well, we've rehearsed well. You can't have a caravan without a I did say there's can you have a camper without an axe or a shovel? Do I dare say, what do you call a man with a shovel? Doug. And I'm Douglas without. Now, let's go in. The good news is we can go in through separate doors. Now there's an enormous, and I mean enormous, I don't know what size that is, but that is huge. Now it can sleep up to, you know, you can have so it's set up, we might just, it's set up there, that's another big bed. You can have it basically as, I'll just throw these up the back here. You can have it as 2 single beds, or there's one other thing that this thing does. That becomes a table, and you've got yourself a especially when you put the little clip to hold it on, dual fans, batteries, mounted TV, a wireless. Keep the faith, keep the faith. Mate, you'll be keeping the faith, you'll be keeping the Conqueror. That's nothing like a bit of Bon Jovi. Now, there's one thing that you don't really get, that you will get if you come in. The quality of this thing is, I did say we're going to slap some stuff. There's just nothing else like it. This thing is, you just about lend it to the Ukrainians at the moment. It's as one of those armoured tank things. This thing is about as tough as it gets. Campers, this thing is, I'm going to go as far as saying it's that far my favourite, I don't know, what is it, hybrid camper trailer, whatever you want to call it. 38 888 tailway, no more to pay, one owner, very little use, typical. It's come from Canberra, and nothing against the good folk of Canberra, but they're not the most sort of extreme folks in the world, especially with this sort of stuff. Campers, this thing is mind-boggling. Come in, have a look. You can go anywhere with this one. Metro IV, Camper Trailer Friday. Thanks for looking.